These are the directions for how to make the chart for your If It Were My Home World's Fair assignment. To start, you're going to go off of the template that you have been assigned in Google Classroom. You need to begin by filling in some information. So for example, right here, you're going to put in the name of your World's Fair country. For this example, we'll do Bolivia. You're going to type in the category that you compared it to with the United States. So for this one, we're going to do electricity usage. And then right here, it says paste info from If It Were My Home website below. The information that we're going to paste is the bolded part that you copied on your paragraphs in the last assignment. So we're going to copy this information here, and we're going to paste it here. We're then going to use the numbers in this information and put them next to our countries. So this sentence says the per capita consumption of electricity in the United States is 12,105. We're going to take that number and we're going to paste it right next to the United States. Then it says, while in Bolivia, it is 653. We're going to take that number and we're going to paste it next to Bolivia. Once you have all of your information in on the left, you're going to click on the word country. You're going to hold down Shift, and then you're going to click on the number next to the United States to select everything. Then you're going to go to Insert, Chart, and you're going to have a chart pop up right away. You're going to want to add a couple things to this chart, though, so that people can understand it. First thing is that under the column of data, you're not going to want to change anything. To make any changes, you want to go to Customize. And two things you're probably going to want to do is first, if you want to change the color of the bars on your chart, you're going to go to Series, and that's where you can change the color to whatever you want. It's also in this Series section where you can add data labels to your chart. These are the numbers that will appear on the bars. So, right here where it says data labels, you're going to check that off, and as you can see, the numbers associated with each country are now on your chart. Once you are satisfied with how your chart looks, you need to copy and paste it into a Google Doc so that you can print it in the right format. So here I have a blank Google Doc that I just created. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the chart, hit Command C, go back to my doc, hit Command V. You're going to link to the spreadsheet, and here's your chart right here. To make it so it fits the whole page, you're going to go File, Page Setup, and then Landscape, and then you can expand the size of your chart for when you print it.